Hello, yeah, in this video, be a few minutes long, I'm just going to show you how to create a simple bill of quants in QSPro. Let's kick off. I double click QSPro icon or use start bar. Let's create a new bill. File, new bill. And we're going to create it in a default directory, which in this case is documents, QSPro bills. Doesn't really matter about anything else. I've already made a few here. Let's call the next one bill 6. Bill 6 doesn't have any relevance, that name. Okay, so screen is opened with a blank top half because that's the bill that we're creating, and a library in the bottom half. The library, if no library appears or you get an error message that says cannot find database, it means it cannot find a library database. Let's change it because I don't want to use a SESM4 database. So this is how you do that. Okay, so you go View, Lower Grid, Library, and you navigate to where your library is. And I'm not absolutely sure myself. Let's go to in Documents, QSPro, Libraries, and we're going to open an SMM7 library. So SMM7 appears in this box here, lower grid. I'm going to create a brickwork item. So I double click on masonry. It's going to be a brick wall, common bricks, and it's going to be half brick thick. That's what that'll do. Quantity. If I could just enter in a quantity. If I double click on that quantity cell, I've got a dimension editor appears. I can put in the A and the B dimensions, or a times in. The times in can have any mathematical equation, so I could say 2 times 5 plus 4 if I wanted to. And I can put in an A and a B measurement, 2 by 5, whatever. And if I exit from there, 140 total that it's created, or if I said 4.6, done what I wanted. 2.2, does that do anything? Yeah, okay, so now my total is 160.6 when I exit from the dimension editor. The 0.6 rounds up to 1, so 161 square meters of brick wall. Great. So the next thing I want to do is print or export this. So I'll press the print button. All sorts of buttons you can press here, but what I'm just going to do for now is press preview. Before I press preview, there's a printed template that's quite important. So this is the content that you can see here: masonry, brick walling, etc. And the template determines the style in which the bill will look like. So if I just say print, and this just print to preview. So now the template determines the fact that this masonry is in bold, looks like Times Roman. Template defines these lines, the double lines of text, and so on. And that's a bill, and then that's a collection, and there you go. Now for the next, so you've created a bill, brilliant. If you want to export that to Excel, instead of this output option here, it says preview. If I just drop that down, say preview plus Excel, let's print that. Then what that's going to do is actually going to kick off Excel on your computer. You need a copy of Excel installed, and that's the bill that we saw before, and this is an Excel version of it. If I go print preview and change the printer to something reasonable, there you go, and then that's the bill in Excel. So I don't want to save that, and that's the bill there. Thanks for watching.